Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, I have received one parcel from this has came from Telangana. This is Hyderabad. So he is also my one of my customer. So let's unbox this one. Very nice packing my friend. Okay, see the packing. Very nice packing. Good packing, good packing. This is Sony IV300. You can see. This is very nice packing, my friend. This Sony IV300. Okay. So let's check this one. We'll put it on and check what is the issue in this. Just keep watching my video, guys, till end. So, guys, we'll put it on now. We'll check what is the status in this system. I'll put it on. I put it on. So hello comes. So actually after few seconds the hello must go off, then again after pressing power button on the hello comes, and so on. I mean, this is a normal process, but this is stuck on hello only. See, stuck on hello only. So it means, see, already 1 minute is going to happen now, but still it is hello, stuck on hello only. So the thing is, the problem is it's stuck on hello. So in this case what we will do, we cannot do anything. We'll try to replace new motherboard. We need to replace the motherboard only. First we'll check is there any chances of repairing. If it's not chances, then we'll replace it complete motherboard only. So it means, see, hello is still there, so it means that there's a problem with the motherboard. So what we'll do, we'll replace motherboard directly with new one, guys. Just keep watching my video till, guys. See, still hello is there. It should supposed to go off now, but it's long time. Okay, so we'll replace the new motherboard. So guys, we'll open it. I have already removed the screw. So we cannot do anything. So what we'll do, we'll just replace the motherboard with new one. Okay, so better to remove all these things. Just keep watching the video, guys. So we'll remove all one by one. So guys, this is the motherboard. So this is a faulty motherboard. So guys, what we'll do, I got the new motherboard with me, so we'll replace this faulty motherboard with new motherboard. So I got the new motherboard. This is from Sony only, original motherboard. Okay, this is the new motherboard. So guys, this is the new motherboard. Okay, so this is the old. So we'll take this out to put in this. So we have replaced. Okay, so we have replaced the motherboard. We fixed the new motherboard. Now it's time to check. So we'll check now. Okay guys, just keep watching my video. So we'll put it on and check. So actually we fix the fan also. Okay, so we'll put it on and check what's the status. So guys, we'll put it on and check what's the status. We'll put it on. I put it on. So hello comes. Hello must go on. She's gone. So I'll put it on again. So guys, after replacing so we'll connect on Bluetooth. Okay, so guys, I have connected to my Bluetooth, so I'll put it on. So it's working. So guys, it's working fine. Okay, we have replaced. So guys, after replacing with new motherboard, the hello is gone and our system is working normally. Okay guys, so when hello comes, it means that motherboard is the main culprit. So after replacing the motherboard, everything is working fine. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, see you very soon next video. Bye.